So, plan for today. We're gonna drag my Nova. This is my dad's. Here's the plan. See how high that sits? It's very 70s. And I believe that's the way they all should be. Because everybody else lowers and tucks and fuck that. We're just gonna let it all hang out, you know what I'm saying? But we're gonna pull mine out of the garage and assess just how bad the rust is. Now, it's allegedly solid. I haven't really looked at it in a few years. It's just been tucked in there, covered with shit. I was over here the other day working on it. Working on getting everything cleaned up around it so we can get it out. But that's the plan for anyway. But it lived about 30 years in a field in Livingston. And there was a drag car before that. And so, yeah, you can pretty much guess what shape it's in. I see no way this plan could fail. Great. Yeah, don't push on.
Looking to see what it's hung under. Just hold on.
It's not hung on nothing. It's just.
Well, something's dragging though, baby.
Oh, it's probably some bullshit. I wouldn't worry about it. You know why? Because it's not mine. Jesus. The car's gonna be on the dope anyway. It's from the 70s. Of course, it was probably on the dope back then. Oh, hey, the header was still stuck in the trunk on the fucking ground through the hole.
Tony, are you glad I was looking?
Yeah, because the other one's on Trent's truck. I gotta pull that one back off and get her a new set of headers. It's not mismatched. Okay, so now hold on. We gotta come up with a plan that I'm not gonna run myself over into the wall. Ah, floor pan pad. They are partially there. Yeah, it's a bad idea. I'm not doing that. Ah.
It's so weird being able to walk right here.
You're not gonna be able to for a minute.
I know, that's why I'm doing it while I could.
Let it roll slow. This is amazing this rolls as good as it does though. Also because it has no fucking shoes and brakes.
Hey, when you're done, go ahead and put it in park.
Yeah. Oh. Well, I about rolled my fucking ankle just now.
Yeah, there's no holding place.
That's what I'm saying. I know the deal. Hold on, hold the car. Because I'm going to have to let it get past this motor before I can get back up to it. It's perfect.
There was a adjusting case.
Okay. Yeah, just run your toe over.
That's still toes.
Farther?
Yeah, no, we're going to take it out by Matthew's truck.
Good thing I have those.
Oh, yes.
Perfect. The goal is to we're gonna have all the rust repair, the main rust repair done in like maybe a month.
Too much weight.
Alright, it's out of the garage. I'm gonna pressure wash this deal off real quick, then we'll look and see just how bad the rust is. But I'm pretty sure from right there you can see that it's like a pristine Nova. I mean, probably not even a little bit of Bondo in this thing. I don't even think it was a vinyl top car. It's got trim that says it was. I don't think it was. But anyway, pressure wash this thing off real quick, and we'll get in there and really look and see just how bad it is. where Mickey Mouse is living.
Yeah.
You are being evicted. No more living behind. That'd be a motherfucker be still in there.
Yeah.
They was living comfortably though. No more mouse houses. There.
That where Mickey Mouse is living?
They were living comfortably.
Yeah.
Oh, gotta redo that over there. Fine. Okay, so upon further inspection, it's less than good. Yeah, this is gonna be great. I see no way that we could have issues with this. So that's been naturally deleted. Weight reduction. That natural focus. That's been naturally deleted on as well. It's had a whole fender delete. But yeah, you can see, wow, you can see all the way through now. But this is gonna be a lot of work. Y'all let me know what you think. Should we repaint it the original color or should I paint it red? But looking like definitely floor pans. I knew that from the get-go. I mean, I don't know how I got the idea about it, but yeah. So floor pans, we're gonna have to cut a hole to make a 4-speed work. Trunk pans, been deleted on there all the way across. We're gonna have to completely rebuild around the window there. Needs a new tail light panel. So I guess we're gonna start cutting on this thing and hopefully maybe start welding more sheet metal in today. Great. What's a realistic time frame you think that it's gonna take?
I would say maybe a year.
You know, we already got new sail panels, another quarter panel lower half piece, so that'll be taken care of, no big deal. Budget truck, what you doing, little buddy? Y'all been wondering where the budget truck's been. It's been hiding over here at my dad's house because I ran myself over with it. If you want to know more about that, I'll tell y'all, but yeah, it was a bad deal. But here's a little 4-door, nobody cares. Not a loss to the world. We're gonna be cutting this one apart. So we got most of a quarter panel for this side. I'll be able to cut all that out around the wheel well. Surprisingly, the trunk pan's fine. Anybody needs a Saginaw 3-speed, I guess let me know. If you're in the Houston area, we'll figure something out on it. But yeah, the trunk pans are good. There's a couple little pinholes, no big deal. Tail light panel, it's not good, but it's gooder than the one that's on the car. And we don't need excellence. We just need it to be good enough. You know what I mean? But see, the lower on that quarter's rotted off. So I'm gonna cut the door skins to fix where it's rotted on the front of that quarter on the passenger side and the driver's side probably. Okay. So what's amazing to me is that these are solid all the way down. Now I haven't quite decided if I'm gonna cut them off of the other car and run my exhaust out the fender so we can shoot nitrous flames, or I'm just gonna run the headers down and let it be. I don't know yet. but firewall is in much better shape. So it looks like I got pretty much most of the metal to make this happen. We're gonna pull the steering box off of this one also, because that one is a manual steering box. We don't need no more drags on the motor for power steering when you got that. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, so that's the plan. So I might go ahead and start cutting on the other Nova, and then we'll see how far we can get today, and then I reckon it had a rear mount battery at one point.
I don't know.
Best tool for body work is the BFH. No fucking way. We're dead. I just pulled some random ass lug nuts out from under the rusty floor fan. I'm gonna straighten back out.
Funny how much it shakes the whole car pretty much.
Yeah, 'cause there's no structural integrity left on this poor thing.
Yep.
Sitting is the worst thing that could happen to a car.
Yeah.
And then me buying it, and then finally doing something like 6 years later is probably not much better, but it's fine. That hurts. That's the finger. Fuck out of the way. I mean, it's better. There it was. It was caved all the way in. So, really looking at it, I think I'm gonna have to cut the door skin on definitely this one, because this whole quarter skin's gone right here. I'm sure all that's rotted, so I'm gonna cut all that off on that other quarter panel back there, and we can get the skin for it, reskin that. With this being a vinyl top car, you know, it's not good. And I can't really describe the amount of Bondo. So I mean, if you want to come over here and like take a look at it, it's the whole roof. They just kind of smoothed out the piles. There's mountains of Bondo up here. Vinyl tops are hard on cars too, apparently. Who would have thunk it? So, yes, I'm gonna start chipping some of this Bondo out. I bet it's all the way back here. Probably a big ass hole. I bet there's a hole over here because the other side is rotted all the way down. And this one, I bet there's a hole up under all the Bondo too.
About what?
A lot of holes.
Yeah. 90% hole, 10% car.
Yeah, something like that. Should have just started with a whole different car. But this is what we're working with, so we got to do it, I guess. Because Daddy's gonna race this year. At some point, hopefully it's gonna be done. And it'll be on a street near you. Come on. Whether it's small block nitrous or big block with a blower, It's gonna happen. I ain't quite figured out exactly what I want to do yet. So y'all put down in the comments whatever you think we should go powertrain wise. Right now it's got a 350 from a 60, it's a 69 model 350 with a 700 R4 behind it, just kind of setting in it to get it off the ground and out of the way. Yeah, you think we should just spray the house down on that deal? Or I got a 454 sitting in my garage, but it needs a cylinder sleeved and it needs, you know, some other machine work, probably line honed and, you know, all that. I don't know which way I want to go with this thing yet. I also got a 355 sitting over at the house. It's got a fully forged rotating assembly ready to go together. I just got to order a cam and a different set of heads because I got like the worst set of truck heads you could ever have to put on it right now. But yeah, y'all put down below what you think we should be doing. And I'm gonna get back to doing some more cutting on this deal. I'm sure you don't want to watch every ounce of rust get cut off of this because you probably never sleep. It's probably where my life's going right now. But yeah, so I'm gonna get back to cutting on this deal, and when we go to hanging metal again, I guess I'll get back with y'all, or when I find more extensive rust hiding under more Bondo. It's gonna be great. Turn the thing. That's probably not gonna work, but we're gonna try it anyway. I felt all the Bondo just hitting me. Oh, that's a little big to go in there. Never heard that. Him say, Sorry, I just bent up now. I'm still gonna be too small to get up in there. Or too big, I mean. Trying to save that quarter panel as much of it as I can. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Big hammer will take it off. No problem. Some jackass thought it was a good idea to pressure wash over here. And it's definitely not hot enough to dry the ground up. What an asshole. Ow! Ow. Hey, that Christmas tree clip thing that's been in there since 1972, you're never gonna believe this. It's brittle. Crazy. Who would have thunk it? Not me, apparently. Oh, almost forgot.
Safety squint. Got fresh battery. You better chill the fuck out. Look here. It is deader than shit. Ain't that something? Great. Now let's go get the battery off the chainsaw.
Oh, yeah, that's the big battery.
Yeah.
Oh! That piece broke. Christ. Got you now. Oh yeah. Did I show him this high-tech engineering that somebody did? It's pretty great.
Huh.
High-tech.
Still down by what, 1 Phillips screw?
Oh yeah. I meant to cut that.
That little bracket.
Yeah, because why would I take the screw out? Jesus Christ, that's the most sturdiest part on this whole fucking car. Did 2 pieces left.
I think you broke the light.
Ah. We don't need lights where we're going. Yeah. Looks like Godzilla was chewing on this thing. Goodbye. Okay.
Let's take a look at that. Wonderful work.
That's a lot less of a car. Just by like 3 cuts. Yeah. Cool. Ah. Yeah. We're gonna get this done real soon. Sure.
So I had to come back to the house looking for some cut-off wheels and whatnot because I run out. But it's looking like it's already going to be like a 20-minute video once I get all this edited. So I'm probably just going to shut it off here and then head back over there and start working on the next video. That way we can get more consistent on the content over here on the channel. But yeah, if y'all would, just leave a like, subscribe, comment if you see something I could be doing better. Or, you know where some more of these cars are sitting, and you could help a guy out with knowing where to get some more parts, because Lord knows this car's turned out to be pretty much Swiss cheese. But hopefully we get that done. I'm gonna start assembling that pretty soon. That's the 355. It's got full forged rotating assembly. All I gotta do is order the cam. I think I know which one I'm gonna go with, but I should be eating a fairly large shot of nitrous when we get done, but we're gonna have to stay tuned for that. Till next time.